Alrighty, my friends, so we're doing a construction update here on our project on Riviera Walk here in Naples. Unbelievable ground up build, new construction, new everything. We're 2 houses in from the canal. The rooftop deck that we're going to show you here shortly is absolutely breathtaking. Views, sunsets, it's unbelievable. This one is going to go really, really quickly. It should be to market spring 2023. So keep watching for more of these updates, but a very, very special property. It's going to be one of the only new construction for sale here in Naples. So stay tuned.